Welcome to MH class. Today we'll discuss the linear inequalities in one variable for class 12 applied maths. Okay, linear inequalities in one variable. Now, how to solve the linear inequalities in one variable? Solve linear inequality. So, rules for the solving inequalities. Solving inequalities. What are the rules? The rules of solving inequalities are similar to those for solving equations except for multiplying or dividing by the negative numbers. So whatever the rules we are getting to solve an equation, same rules will apply here. Okay, except the multiplication and division by the negative numbers. So first one, what do I have to do? Add or subtract according to the question. Add or subtract the same number. Add or subtract the same number or expression to both sides. To both sides. Okay. Next, any number can be transposed from one side of an inequality to other sides of with the sign of the transposed numbers or expressions changed. If it is plus, we can transpose it by minus sign. Okay. Whatever the rules are applied for solving an equations, linear equations, same things we are using here. Just changes is there for multiplication and division with the help of the negative numbers. Then inequality sign will be changed. Okay. Already I discussed about the inequality sign, so it will be changed. If a is greater than b, then minus a is less than minus b. Okay. Any number can be transposed from one side to other side. To other side with the sign of the transposed number. Okay, transposed number change. Suppose x plus 2 is greater than 5. So this 2, if we want to transpose to a right side, so x is equal to 5. The sign of 2 is plus, so it will be minus 5 minus 2. X is greater or equal to 5 minus 2. This also directly we can transpose. Okay. And first one, what is given here? Add or subtract. Suppose x plus 2 is greater than 5. So we need to find out the value of x. So it is addition is given x plus 2. So we will subtract x plus 2 minus 2 greater than 5 minus 2. Okay. So x is greater than 3. In this we have to find out. Here also same thing we will get, x is greater than 3. Multiply or divide both sides by the same positive number. Next rule, multiply or divide both sides. Multiply or divide both sides by the same positive number, by the same positive number. When you multiply or divide by the same negative number, note when we multiply or divide by the same negative number, the inequality is reversed. That means if it is greater than, then it will be less than. If it is greater than, then it will become less than. If it is less than, then it implies greater than. Okay. Similarly, greater equal to, less than equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. In this way, it will be changed. Clear? As for example, see how to solve. Question. Solve inequalities. Three minus twice x greater or equal to x minus 32 when x belongs to n, x is natural number. How to solve this? Solution. So what is given? 3 minus twice x greater or equal to x minus 32. So first rule, if we want to remove, then this is plus 3, so we have to minus 3. So what will do? Minus 3 plus 3 minus twice x greater or equal to x minus 32, then plus minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel, minus twice x greater or equal to x minus 32 minus 3 minus 35. So you have to remove this x from right hand side. So this plus x, so it will be minus x. So twice x minus x greater or equal to x minus 35 plus x minus x cancel. So what will get? Minus x minus twice x minus 3x. Minus 3x greater or equal to minus 35. Now this is minus side. This is minus sign. Be careful. If we divide or multiply by the minus sign, then the inequality will be changed. So x is less or equal to 35 by 3. It becomes changed. Okay. So x is less or equal to 35 by 3. But when x is equal to, x belongs to n, natural number. So x is less than 35 by 3 means what? 11.11 2 by 3 you can say. So but here condition is given, x is belongs to the natural number. X must be natural number. So the solution set is what will be the solution set? X is natural number. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot dot. 11. 12 cannot be. 12 32 is 36. So 12 it cannot be. Okay. Note, when x is equal to, x belongs to w, if it is related to this, x belongs to w, then solution set is, what do you write? Solution set is, it is start from w means start from the whole number, system of 0. So 0, 1, 2, dot 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 11. 11 is also whole number. If it is given x is, this is one thing, this x belongs to I means what? Integer. The solution set, what will get? Solution set. This experiment you can do yourself at home. Integer, positive, negative, both integers, it will be not fixed. It is given that positive integer, or it is not given like negative integer. in the book is already given, or in the integer, what will get? Positive, negative, all will number will come. Okay, the solution set, what will write? Minus dot 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 dot 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 11. This is the solution set. In this we have to solve what? Inequalities. Clear? Next question, see. Next example. Solve if x belongs to W, not in N, W. Solve. What do you have to solve? 3 by 5x minus twice x minus 1 by 3 greater than 1. So solution, 3 by 5x minus twice x minus 1 by 3 greater than 1. So what is the LCM? LCM of 5 and 3, 15. So you will multiply by 15. If you multiply by 15 positive number, then there is no changes of the inequality. So it will get 9x minus 5 into twice x minus 1 greater than 15, implies 9x minus 10x minus minus plus 5 greater than 15. 9x minus 10 is minus x greater than 10. So x is less than minus 10. Here we are changing, we are dividing by minus 1, so the sign will be changed. If you multiply and divide by minus 1, then sign is changed. Okay. So x is less or equal to 10, but x is what? X is whole number. It is given x is whole number. But x belongs to W. So the solution set is what? What will be the solution set? 5. There is no elements. Okay. I hope all of you understand. Try to solve yourself the questions, some questions. Prepare yourself the questions and solve it. It will be better to understand the concept. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.